Muscle meltdown. After 60, do this to reverse it. 80-year-olds with 40-year-old strength. By the time you're 80 years old, science shows you could lose up to 50% of your muscle mass. Half your strength gone. But what if I told you there's a single daily habit, backed by Harvard and Mayo Clinic research, that can reverse this decline? In fact, there are elite super-agers in their 70s and 80s right now who have the muscle strength, energy, and independence of people decades younger. And today, I'll reveal exactly what they do differently, including one free 5-minute habit you can start today to see changes in just weeks. But first, comment below. Have you noticed it's harder to stand up from a chair or carry groceries? Type yes if you're ready to fight back. And don't forget to subscribe. We help millions stay strong and independent. Now, let's fix this. The muscle loss crisis. 50% muscle loss, 300,000 falls per year. Here's the hard truth. Sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, isn't just about getting weaker. It's a silent thief stealing your independence. 50 million seniors worldwide struggle with this. 300,000 hospitalizations yearly from falls linked to muscle weakness. Most shocking? Research in the Journal of Physiology proves this isn't inevitable. While most 70-year-olds can't rise from a chair without help, some 80-year-olds are hiking mountains and outlifting 50-year-olds. So what's their secret? Let's break it down. Habit number 1, progressive resistance training. Study. Seniors gained 3.3 pounds muscle in 12 weeks. U, Alabama. Habit number 1 is progressive resistance training, but not the way most seniors do it. Light weights and endless cardio won't stop muscle loss. Here's exactly how super-agers train. 1. Progressive overload. Key to rebuilding muscle. Start with body weight, chair squats, wall push-ups. Add resistance bands or weights gradually, even a soup can work. Week 1, 10 chair squats. Week 4, 10 squats holding 5-pound weight. 2. Eccentric focus, the lowering secret. Slow down the lowering phase. It builds 37% more strength. Study, Journal of Aging Research. 3. Compound moves. Isolation, more bang for your buck. Squats, rows, and pushes work multiple muscles at once. Avoid useless exercises like bicep curls. Focus on functional strength. Free starter tip. Before bed tonight, do 3 sets of sit-to-stands on a chair squats with a 3-second lowering phase. That's it. You'll feel the difference in 14 days. Comment below. Chair squats start today. If you're committing to this, let's go. The science of hormetic stress. Finland study. Sauna users had 40% less muscle loss over 10 years. Here's a weird but science-backed trick super-agers use. Hormetic stress, short intentional stressors that trigger muscle growth. 1. Cold exposure, 30-second cold showers. Boosts adiponectin, a hormone that protects muscle. 2. Heat therapy. Saunas 2 to 3 times a week. Activates heat shock proteins to repair muscle cells. 3. Intermittent fasting. 12 to 14-hour overnight fasts. Sparks autophagy, your body's cleanup mode for damaged cells. Quick tip. End your next shower with 30 seconds of cold water. It's brutal, but works. Protein timing and micronutrients. 93% of seniors eat protein wrong. You could eat all the protein in the world, but if you're missing these 2 things, you'll still lose muscle. 1. Protein timing, the anabolic window. 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, 3 times a day, not just at dinner. Breakfast, Greek yogurt plus eggs. Lunch, chicken plus quinoa. 2. The muscle vitamins. 90% of seniors are deficient. Vitamin D. Optimize levels to 40 plus nanograms per milliliter. Study, JAMA Internal Medicine. Magnesium. found in dark leafy greens. 70% of seniors are low. Creatine. Not just for gym rats. 5 grams per day reduces frailty. McMaster University. Action step. Next blood test, ask for vitamin D and magnesium levels. It's that important. Neuromuscular preservation. Your brain-muscle link weakens with age. Muscle loss isn't just about muscles. It's about nerves failing to talk to them. Superagers do these 3 weird activities to keep connections sharp. 1. Tai Chi or dance. Forces precision movements. 2. Ping pong. Improves hand-eye coordination plus neural signaling. 3. Box breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds, exhale 4 seconds. Strengthens vagus nerve function. Try this. Stand on one leg while brushing your teeth. It's a hidden neuromuscular workout. Look, muscle loss is optional. The seniors who thrive take action now. So here's your 30-day challenge. 1. Do chair squats daily, 3 sets of 10. 2. Add 30 grams of protein to breakfast, Greek yogurt plus nuts. 3rd, try 30 seconds of cold shower. Stronger at any age. Comment, "I'm in," below. Let's build a community fighting muscle loss together. And if you got any value from this, hit subscribe. We drop life-changing tips every week because you deserve to feel strong, independent, and alive, no matter your age. Now go crush those chair squats.